Hi viewers, in my previous video I shows how to rewind a microwave oven transformer into spot welding transformer. In this video I will show you how to hook it up with welding pen and spot welding controller. Before starting, the assembling video can be seen here how successfully this machine work on different spot welding tasks. It can easily spot weld up to 0.30 mm nickel and copper strips. Also it can spot weld different types of thick and thin metals alloy. It can also be used for spot weld fuse wire on lithium-ion multi-chemistry batteries. Let's start and see how to assemble it. Unboxing of spot welding controller. LCD display. NY-D08 100 amp spot welding controller. USB data cable and LCD wire. Unboxing of spot welding pen. The both springs push on switch force pressure is approximate 3 kilograms. It can be split and used for different spot welding tasks. I used this Samsung microwave oven transformer and rewind it for spot welding. I am using scent delivery machine aluminum body for making my spot welding machine. For this I need to modify this aluminum body and install all the spot welding parts. modification of the scent delivery machine aluminum body has been done and all the parts installed successfully. User-friendly interface. Dual pulse power and time can be adjusted according to application. 20 group IDs can be set for save time on different spot welding tasks. Testing temperature sensor.